Hey there YouTube, this is SJM4306, and as you can see, it's another unboxing, unmailing, whatever you want to call it. Basically, I'm going to open mail. So this actually was sent in by a fellow viewer. His name is Brandon, and if he has any YouTube channels or whatever he wants me to share, I'll put them down below. But anyway, he contacted me actually a while ago, and he said he had some goodies to send me, so either things to fix or for my Switch to modify, something like that. So we're actually just going to get into this. Hopefully I can open this without too much trouble. Is it? Oh yeah, it's one of these. Should be able to just slice and open. There we go. There we go. And we can see exactly what they are. They're two Game Boy Pockets. And very kindly sent in some audio amps. I actually haven't done any of these PAM. These are PAM 8302As. These are actually modules. They are audio amplifiers. They're Class D amps. So we're going to have fun with that, installing them into these Game Boys and make them nice and loud. I haven't done this mod before, so this will be really cool. He also sent me some neat, I think it's like glow-in-the-dark sticker paper. He's been doing a lot of mods for backlighting, like clear buttons and clear shells and stuff like that. And here we have, he's actually thrown in, we were talking about the Switch Joy-Cons and whatnot, and so he's actually included, this is really cool, these are little rubber caps that go over the joystick, and he's cut out some of the glow-in-the-dark tape. He actually puts them underneath and it makes them glow, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna have to give that a try as well. And he's included this clear shell pocket. I believe this is glow-in-the-dark. That's actually really cool. I've never actually seen one of these in person, so we'll have to see how well it glows. This LCD, you can see there's a little bit of, looks almost like pressure damage or something like that. Sometimes damage like this is caused if there's something pressing against the board too hard and then it presses on the LCD on the back of it. Sometimes this is fixable if you just remove the source of the pressure and the liquid crystal will just diffuse. If it's really severe, sometimes it could be permanent. But we'll have to see if there's anything else wrong with the LCD. I think he mentioned maybe some lines or something like that, in which case we'll give it a go at trying to fix it. I don't know on pockets. I think lines on a pocket are pretty difficult to fix, but we'll give it a shot. We should actually grab some batteries and see if these fire up and what exactly the issues are. Okay, ran all around the house trying to find AAA batteries, and I finally found 2 antelopes, so we can actually give these a quick power test. Oh, this was already on. Oh yeah, you can definitely see there's a number of, it looks like maybe 2 vertical lines, and then probably about like 4 or so, maybe 5 horizontal lines, but they're all kind of right next to each other. So we'll have to see. This kind of whitish area is just because I guess he was trying to backlight the screen, and the polarizing filter is shifted over to the right a little too far. But I'm sure that works just fine if you were to just move the filter over. So yeah, in terms of the image though, I mean, it turns on, it shows up, so obviously everything electrically on the PCB works. It's just the LCD that hopefully we can fix. We'll see. I've never really tried. Actually, interesting. You can kind of get some of them to flicker. So yeah, there's probably an intermittent connection, that means. Anyway, yeah, we'll play around with that in a separate video. Now, let's see this guy with the pressure spot. Okay, so this turns on as well. Okay, this looks like it has like a faint line. That's actually, it's not like a disconnected line. The driver on some of these old Game Boys, you'll actually notice like the contrast is not constant throughout the screen, and it's not any fault of the LCD itself. It's working electrically fine. It's just, I'm guessing, the multiplexing or the the road driver or something is up with that. But I'm actually noticing as I play with the contrast, there was actually a vertical line while I was blabbing. I've noticed it, but I didn't mention it yet. But there was a vertical line and it went away. So guessing something touchy is up with the connector, the actual flat flex to glass bond. And obviously you can see right there the pressure damage is a little visible, but definitely it still works, the LCD. So this one, actually, I have pretty good faith that we can get this kind of up and running, at least better. But yeah. Also, the light does seem a little dim on this one. Wonder why that is. There's no speaker, obviously, so we'll have to grab a speaker for that. That won't be a problem. But yeah, I'm wondering why this is dimmer. That's interesting. Because on the first Game Boy, you can see it's quite a bit brighter. That's interesting. So yeah, I'll end up doing a separate video, though, tearing these two apart. And we will probably end up backlighting them. This one definitely, because it's already had the polarizer removed. This one, I'm going to see if we can get rid of those pressure marks. Hopefully we can, and then I can just save this LCD and just add a speaker to this, and it'll be good to go. But yeah, you can see here, it looks like there's some hot glue, actually. So I'm guessing, yeah, it is a problem with the flex on glass bond. So it looks like he glued it down to keep it from moving, to prevent it from separating more. So yeah, we'll have to take a look at that, exactly what's going on. This was everything that Brandon sent me. I'd like to give a thank you. Anyway, I've rambled on for kind of long enough, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.